What is the rating of a bond?
The rating of a bond is the measure of the quality or safety of a bond. And there are 3 or 4 rating companies that provide ratings. So the very, very top quality bonds from a company that's very, very financially stable are rated AAA, and the worst bonds are rated D. So there's a whole scale in between. The higher quality the bond or the higher rating that the company has for their financials, then the lower interest rate it needs to pay and the higher it will cost to buy it. Bonds that are rated at least BBB or better are called investment grade bonds. And investment grade bonds are considered relatively safe. There's not very much chance that the company's going to go out of business and default on their bonds. Once you get lower than BBB, you get what's called junk bonds. And junk bonds are also called high yield bonds. And they used to be called junk bonds, now they're called high yield bonds because people are more willing to buy a high yield bond than buy a junk bond. But you have to remember that those two are the same term. So a junk bond is not investment grade, there's a chance that the company is going to go bankrupt, and junk bonds end up acting a little bit more like stocks. So they might pay a higher rate of return when the economy is doing well and the markets are doing well, but the minute the economy turns sour, we have a recession, and the stock market drops, junk bonds start defaulting on their loans. And so the junk bond return suddenly starts going way down because instead of these nice high rates of return, you're losing some of the principal money as the companies go bankrupt.